Here is how to allocate more RAM in the CurseForge app for smoother modded Minecraft. Feel free to pause at any time. You can slow this down or speed it up with the playback speed setting, and turn subtitles on or off with the closed captions button. Method 1. Set the global memory allocation. In the CurseForge app, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open settings. Under Game Specific on the left, select the Minecraft tab. Scroll down to the Java Settings section. Drag the allocated memory slider to set the RAM used by every modpack. Leaving recommended by author switched on lets CurseForge match each pack's suggested amount. Method 2. Set RAM for a single modpack. In my Modpacks, right-click the modpack to change. Choose Profile Options from a menu. Under Memory Settings, recommended by author is the default. It uses the amount the pack's creator suggests. Custom RAM allocation lets you set an exact amount with the slider. CurseForge Settings instead makes the pack follow the global figure from Method 1. Click Done to save the change. How much to allocate depends on the pack. 2 to 4 gigabytes suits a few light mods, 4 to 6 for medium packs, and 6 to 10 for large ones like All the Mods 10. Whatever the pack, leave at least 2 to 3 gigabytes free for Windows. That's how to allocate RAM in CurseForge, globally or per modpack. For more Minecraft tips, visit our website in the description.